This article is going viral for saying that AI could crash the entire economy by 2028. Published by Citrini Research, the core idea is simple. For centuries, the only thing that made humans economically valuable was their ability to think. They could plan, decide, write, analyze, and figure things out. But since AI can now do most of it cheaply, companies will swap out humans for compute, profits will go up, that money will be spent on more compute, AI will get better, more humans will be replaced, and the cycle will continue. The article also introduces something called a ghost economy, where the economy will look good on paper, but none of that money will actually reach people because AI does not buy things, pay rent, or go out for dinner. This will eventually, as the article suggests, trigger a death spiral where companies keep buying more compute, people keep earning less, and the whole thing just keeps getting worse. But it doesn't stop there. The S&P 500 could crash 38%. Unemployment will hit 10.2% and it will be worse than the Great Recession. Companies like Uber, DoorDash, Visa will collapse as AI will bypass them. The housing market will crash and India could lose its entire IT sector. It's a lot. Now, whether the timeline turns out to be true or not, the article does make interesting points that are difficult to ignore. What do you think? If you want to keep up with all the updates in AI and technology, make sure you follow and subscribe to the channel.